the right side.
Ano ba? Ano ba? Kami daw. Diba? Kaya din yan dito. Slow budget. Ganda! In fairness.
Hi guys! Welcome to the vlog. So, andito naman tayo ngayon sa Tbilisi, Georgia. And we are actually on our second to the last day here in Tbilisi, Georgia. We are just exploring the city. And andito kami ngayon sa Chronicles of Georgia. Isa siya sa mga tourist attractions actually dito sa Tbilisi, Georgia, na nasa on top of the hill. Tapos pag inakyat mo siya, makikita mo ang view na ito overlooking the entire city. So from here guys, you can actually see the Tbilisi Sea. Makikita nyo ang dagat at karagatan ng Tbilisi, Georgia. Tapos, you can see that's the Chronicle of Georgia. It's a very nice infrastructure. It's considered as the Georgian Stonehenge. Ganda. So we're currently here at the Georgian Chronicle and we are just taking pictures. Second to the last day here in Georgia, and we are just taking this time to go around the city and visit different tourist spots and attractions that we can here. Sarap.
So. Charot.
Kampay.
Japanese.
Why do you know Philippine?
Mahal kita, Philippine.
How you know?
Salamat po. Come back to us.
Okay, hold the eagle.
Hold the eagle. It will be a good memory photo. Come on, try, please.
No, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Pinahap tapos mag-ano na sa taas na yan.
Oo.
So wala pala siyang kape. Magkano yung kape nila dyan, Batch? Kape? 10 din. Kasi tourist spot to eh. 10. Okay, nabayaran ko 41 eh. Tourist spot siya. Magkano yung sumunod? Kasi sa baba, about 10 lang yun. Yung... magkano yun? 21.
Ano yung Burj Khalifa? Burj Khalifa. Hi guys! Dito tayo ngayon sa Old Tbilisi and we are going to explore around and have a walk. But behind me is actually the clock tower. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Ang ganda ng mga architectures nila dito sa Tbilisi, Old Tbilisi. And you can see that's the Leaning Clock Tower. So that's one of the tourist attractions here. Sa Old Tbilisi is the Leaning Clock Tower that they have. Ano masasabi mo, Batch? Nakatambay ka ngayon sa Trinoma.
Ako lang sa Trinoma.
Trinoma vibes. It's our last day today. Yay!
Grabe, 1 week na yun. And with that, the 20. So pretty.
So pretty.
Hey vlog.
Hey vlog.
Hi mga kapeti.
Hi guys! So we're currently here at City Mall and kasalukuyan kami nag-chill, nagtatambay. It's actually our second to the last day here in Tbilisi in Georgia, and tomorrow is our last day. So we're just taking our time and then we're just chilling. So kausapin natin ngayon si Steffi if ano yung masasabi niya sa ating travel this year. Steffi,
Hey guys!
ano yung realization mo sa ating travel this year?
Oh my God. I'm so haggard now. This year? Okay, this is my first travel for this year. So, I would say, sa lahat ng mga travels ko, ito yung pinaka-laid back. Wow! Yes. And very, holiday talaga siya. We took our time very, slow. So slow. Because of my titas. Charot. Char lang. Ay, sorry.
Kainin yung mic kasi sensitive. Bawal po kainin yung mic kasi super sensitive.
Ay, ganun ba yun?
Dito lang sa baba.
Iba yung magsasalita dyan. Ayun lang. So, but I'm happy because it's my first time doing the paragliding. Yes. And yeah. And skiing.
Are you looking forward to our next travel together?
Yes. This would be our annual ski trip.
Tatabihan mo pa rin ba ako sa pagtulog?
Because white noise na kita. Naging white noise.
Okay, next. How about Babong? Ano yung realization mo for this travel?
Ibaba mo daw.
Alam mo yung sabi nila na matatas yung friendship nyo. It's either if you live together or you travel. And so far on our, how many days? 7th day?
9.
No, like today. So far, 7 days into the trip. 2 days na lang, uwi na kami ng London. Gusto pa, friends pa rin kami. Hindi pa rin kami nagpapatayan. So, I think that this trip has cemented this friendship. Yes, yun yung realization ko. Ano pa yung question mo, Jessica Solo?
Hindi ka solo today.
Ano pa? Friend. Yun lang?
Okay. Yun lang.
So, are you looking forward?
Yeah, so basically we're looking forward to more travels this year and marami pa tayong pagdadaanan ng mga adventures. I'd like to thank our very special travel agency, the Stephanie Hesiada. The Steffi Estrada Travel and Tours for booking and reserving all of our hotels and cars and cars and our balls and our hotels.
Special thanks as well to the wonderful ladies beside me. Yes. Wow.
Paka-feeling.
Paka-feeling. Ala,
Siyempre, shoutout natin, no? Yung mga tumulong sa atin sa trip na to.
yes, shout out
To make it a bit more special and very memorable. Number one, si Ana.
Yes.
Shoutout sa iyo, Ana, kung nakikinig ka man at nanonood ng vlog na to. We're so thankful. We'll see you on your 18th birthday.
Yes.
Siyempre, pasalamatan niyo din yung inyong mga pilots.
Ayan.
Si Derek yung pilot.
Ayan, thank you to my pilot for landing safely.
At andito kami.
At andito ako ngayon sa Trinoma. It was a very amazing experience. Very liberating. Wow! Naiyak ako actually. Sa taas.
Kang balahibo.
Tumaas yung balahibo ko.
Yan, of course.
Alexander.
Thank you to our ski instructor, Nico. You know, Nico is part of the Georgian ski team, national team. He was very patient with us. And he taught us the big triangle brig, which saved our lives. Literally saved our lives. Of course, we can't forget Alexander, our driver, and my textmate, for bringing us safely to Godauri and from Godauri to Tbilisi. And carrying our luggages for us in the snow, which is really, really good. Uy, i-thank you mo si Levan.
Ay, si Levan.
Boyfriend
Sino
si
si Levan? Ay, ikaw mag-thank you kay Levan.
So also we would like to thank Levan, who is my baby, my sweetheart, who owns our hotel in Godauri. Thank you, baby Levan. And also si Salome.
Yeah, your kumare.
Yeah, yung kumari kong si Salome, talagang grabe yung pag-endorse ng aming mga activities sa aking mga frenny na talagang enjoy na enjoy. Salome, I'll see you next year.
Pa-retire na yun si
Good morning, vlog. It's our last day here in Tbilisi, Georgia. Last full day. And we are going back to London tomorrow morning. And today we are going for wine tasting. It's actually 10:30 in the morning. And it's a Saturday. So, yeah, come and join us as we do our wine tasting experience here in Tbilisi, Georgia. We're almost done with our holiday. And we're so excited to finally be done with this day and then go back to our normal lives again. So, tara, samahan nyo kami. See ya! Good morning, vlog. It's a Saturday and today is our last day here in Tbilisi, Georgia. And last full day na namin. Tomorrow, we go back to London. And we are currently on our way to wine tasting experience here in Tbilisi. So we are excited for that. And hopefully you enjoy this experience as well. Ayan na yung mga kasama natin today. As usual, yung ating mga celebrity influencers.
Celebrity edition.
BBB? Are you excited to taste the wines of Georgia?
8 wines.
Wow!
So
talaga namang lasingan na to talaga.
Yes. Todo na to.
Baka tumambling ka mamaya.
Tumbling na naman yun siya.
Tumbling sa Godauri.
Hindi pa rin nakaalas sa Godauri.
So, we're just waiting for our Uber ride. Actually, to our Bolt ride. Naging bomba star. Bold.
We're just waiting for the bowl.
So we have come to our meeting place for the wine tasting today, and we are currently waiting for the tour to start. And this is our meeting place, and those are yun yung mga guide namin. And then slowly dumadating na rin yung mga kasama sa tour na to, and we're just waiting for everyone to be complete, and then we're good to go.
Before you say that it's too early for wine or anything like that, somewhere in the world it's like 5 o'clock already. So is that okay if we'll be drinking like different time zone? Are we okay with that? Fabulous, fabulous. So, first wine tasting. It's kind of a weird and very unique wine tasting, and I'm sure you're gonna love it because I bet you've been to loads of wine tastings, right? So this is gonna be different. What we're gonna do.
So we are on our first winery stop here in Georgia. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Stoked.
It's very sunny today. It is.
Very sunny.
Lovely weather, isn't it?
Let's do this.
Shalom.
Hello everyone, my name is Siva and today I will be your guide. This is our factory created our full name called Sakatan Traditional Winemaking, which is founded in 2001. Please address to
Alex, when you get glasses, would you move to a side, please? Yeah, sure, darling.
I guess, yeah.
Just move to a side. There's the rubbish bin there. Just move to the side when you grab a glass. So everyone in there.
Dito ko nalagay batch.
Yeah, but I in the there because someone
Okay.
the left side. Okay, hello everyone. I jumped.
We are on our fourth glass of wine.
I don't feel anything yet,
Uy!
but you know,
Let
I'm
us not-
I'm a brandy kind of girl.
Let us not wish.
Ang ganda ng bigay.
Nobilino wine.
Ba, chili.
Ayoko na lang Nobilino. Nobilino lang. Ayoko na ng Nobilino.
Oh, this is so good.
Just. Extra just. Just.
Hindi pwede mo. Hindi na
Oh my God. Alcohol in a day. So let's have a little break. So I'm going to take you to a shop now to be continued. To be continued. We're going to go to the shop. So you want something, just point your fingers.
I'm feeling a little Just.
So, 1 o'clock, I'll be outside of the that bakery thingy, and we'll go to the second. A bunch of frescoes we managed to save because they whitewashed all the frescoes, right? It's unreal, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. So now I'm gonna use loads of ifs, and you will understand why. So you know the story, and I bet you all remember that we became Christians in 4th century. Her name is Nino. Place I'm taking you next, she's buried there. To be honest, if you take this home from my story, I'm happy with that. If you want to know more, you've got me. So now, Georgia is a different country, guys. When it comes to religion, we respect every religion there is to know. So when I'm at your home, you tell me how I should treat, respect your holy place. Tell me if I need to take my shoes off, I will. Tell me if I'm not allowed to go inside at all, I will not go inside. I'll pay my respect.
Okay guys, so we are currently here in Kakheti. So we are at a nunnery here in Kakheti and we are going to explore. They said that this is where Santo Niño was buried. Santo Niño was the one who started Christianity here in Georgia.
What I find so interesting
very interesting fact, Santo Niño, their Santo Niño here is in fact a woman who actually came and started Christianity here in Georgia.
We all okay with that, right? My decision. And okay, one more thing. Esko po rin ha? O ka lang kamo ito ay pinet. That means kids manawid ako. Sorry, there's no need for translating that. Okay. Okay. So ano is this chicken over? Ko, ara. Kaya ko is champion ayos ko. Francis Marto. Okay, sorry. Because she's pregnant. Was it my decision not to do the presidential hearing?
Hi vlog! Pauwi na kami. Tapos na yung aming bakasyon.
Hi! Uwi na, guys.
Getting ready. Back to reality na kami. So, it's almost 12:30 and papunta na kami sa airport ngayon. We are just about to leave. So, yun na yun. That's it.
And with that,
And with that, na-enjoy naman natin yung wine tasting, no?
Yes.
Enjoy naman natin yung wine tasting today.
Na-enjoy mo ba, Batch?
Sobra! Ja.
Ilang shot ng Jaja?
Ja.
Ilang shot ng Jaja?
Siguro mga 4.
Plus brandy.
Plus brandy, grabe.
Sabi mo ba plus bread?
Grabe yung
Spread,
ja.
dalhin mo.
Excess baggage. That's it. Thank you, guys. See ya on our next trip.
See you next year, Godawi, Georgia, and Chibalishi.
See you on our next vlog. Bye.
Adios!
Sana makapunta din kayo dito. Sana makapunta din kayo dito sa Georgia.
Highly recommended.
Highly recommended. 2 thumbs up.
Ito lang. Kasi, ilan ba thumbs? Thumbs.
Pati yung sa big toe. 4 thumbs up. 4 thumbs up. Ayun lang. Bye, vlog.
Bye. Let's go,
Alis na kami. Bye.
Tara.
Bye. Bye na, friend. Bye. Bye, room. Bye, Georgia.
Bye. Thank you for the kidnapping.
Hi, vlog. We're currently here at the airport. It's currently 3 a.m. Almost 3 a.m. and we're just waiting for our gate to open because it's very early in the morning. And we are about to leave Georgia. And we fly to Istanbul. We fly to Istanbul and then from Istanbul to London. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this trip. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And hopefully we'll see you on our next vlog. And I'll see you on our next travel. Bye. Bye again. For the second time. Dead man na. Bye. Ay.